Should the United States use ChatGPT to obtain advice on how to regulate the cryptocurrency sector? What is the reason behind David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, choosing to receive Ripple shares rather than an XRP allocation? In addition, despite the asset's poor performance, we will investigate the variables that can contribute to an increase in the price of XRP. Lastly, is there any chance BlackRock will introduce an exchange-traded fund based on XRP spot trading? Follow me through to the conclusion to learn more. Check out this new video right now if you think this sounds like something you'd be interested in. The head of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, has come under fire from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse for his unwelcoming regulatory stance toward the cryptocurrency industry. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Garlinghouse reaffirmed that Gensler is a political liability for the U.S. in a recent interview with Fox Business. Garlinghouse claims that the SEC director has made it a priority to hire more attorneys to pursue industry prosecutions. The CEO of Ripple characterizes this as a regulation through enforcement strategy. It is well known that attorneys make up the majority of the SEC's enforcement and corporation finance departments. Garlinghouse's critique of the SEC's regulation strategy is evident in the multiple lawsuits the agency has filed against cryptocurrency companies. The SEC has been pursuing legal action against various companies over the past 3 years, including Ripple, Grayscale, Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance. However, the CEO of Ripple has expressed worries about the way the SEC is regulating the cryptocurrency industry. If only American regulators could create the rules of the road, he claimed, the majority of cryptocurrency-related businesses would like to abide by them. Notably, Garlinghouse pointed out that nations all around the world have begun to take action to control their crypto space. Garlinghouse lists the European Union's approval of the first comprehensive set of regulations for cryptocurrency as one of these initiatives. It is important to note that the regulation mandates that companies that wish to issue, protect, and exchange stablecoins, cryptocurrencies, and tokenized assets throughout the 27 European countries apply for a license. According to Garlinghouse, the U.S. has not taken any of these actions, even though other nations are seeing advancements in crypto legislation. Can ChatGPT therefore offer advice on how to govern the U.S. cryptocurrency market? Due to the lack of clarity in U.S. regulations, Garlinghouse proposed that the U.S. deploy the well-known AI chatbot ChatGPT to obtain guidance on how to manage the cryptocurrency industry. Garlinghouse asserts that using ChatGPT services goes beyond the SEC's efforts to regulate the cryptocurrency market. I kind of joked that we should just type the question, how should the U.S. govern crypto, into ChatGPT? It goes beyond what the SEC in the U.S. has accomplished, he said. In addition, the CEO of Ripple emphasized that the court system has not stopped criticizing the SEC for going beyond what the law stipulates. They lost the lawsuit against Ripple and Grayscale because of this. They are being dragged, kicked, and screamed to have Bitcoin spot ETFs because of this, he continued. According to the CEO of Ripple, Gensler has been operating against the people in pursuit of his own goal. The recent approval of several ETFs, he continued, corroborates his claim that crypto technologies are here to stay. According to Garlinghouse, nations like Japan, the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland have made great strides toward regulating their cryptocurrency industries, while the United States spends a great deal of time in the courts seeking clarification. These economies are not tiny ones. They are working hard to get clarity, and he continued, I believe that in the United States, this is now more of a political agenda than a policy goal. Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. Schwartz recently disclosed something unsettling during a conversation about Ripple's huge XRP holdings. XRP. Schwartz recently disclosed something unsettling during a conversation about Ripple's huge XRP holdings. Remarkably, the company's Q3 2023 XRP markets report, which was published in November of last year, revealed that as of September 2023, it had 46.5 billion XRP, or 46.5% of the asset's 100 billion token maximum total supply. With 41.3 billion XRP in escrow, Ripple has a spendable amount of 5.2 billion XRP out of the 46.5 billion tokens under its custody. Every month, the business takes out 1 billion XRP from escrow, but it quickly locks up the remaining 800 million. In a complex attempt to lower its XRP holdings, Ripple has kept selling down its spendable XRP balance. In Q3 2023, the company sold 892 million XRP, according to the most recent XRP markets report. The consistent sales of XRP have raised concerns about ongoing price suppression. There have been requests for an alternative strategy as a result of these worries, such as burning Ripple's escrow balance. A user going by the X handle GPD Burn the Escrow questioned if XRP sales would always be a part of Ripple's business plan in the most recent conversation. In response to this query, Ripple CTO Schwartz stated that the company has two choices regarding its XRP holdings. He said they may either hold these tokens longer or sell them off gradually to lower their holdings. Schwartz emphasized that the company had no other options. He did, however, affirm that their objective is to sell their interests as soon as possible. This mission might help to explain the increased rate of XRP sales in recent times. In response to the question of whether burning the escrow would not be possible, Schwartz said he could not think of any circumstance that would make this even more likely. He went on to say that there would be no advantages. Another community member questioned whether Schwartz truly chose to receive Ripple shares rather than XRP during the lengthy debate. The CTO of Ripple has confirmed that this is accurate. He stated that instead of receiving an allotment of XRP, he would have preferred to receive a percentage of the Ripple shares. Schwartz did, however, add that he is still unsure about the decision's suitability. He said his holdings would be more liquid now if he had gotten XRP tokens rather than Ripple shares. Notably, Ripple's shares are currently valued at over $11.3 billion on the market. Moreover, Mubarak revealed something, and it was during a recent conversation that Mubarak disclosed something. Pro-crypto lawyer Bill Morgan started the conversation by expressing his worries about XRP's poor performance over the previous few years when compared to other assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Morgan emphasized the pattern of XRP appearing to move in lockstep with the cryptocurrency market as a whole, but eventually crashing. Morgan says that even with Ripple's attempts to develop the XRP ledger, this decline has continued. He underlined that during 2018, XRP has seen a sharp decrease, falling by 84.85% against Bitcoin and 91.58% against Ethereum. Morgan first thought that Ripple's legal troubles might be the reason. He did point out that even encouraging legal developments in 2023's second half did not result in long-lasting gains. Remember that in the protracted legal dispute, Ripple won multiple times against the U.S. SEC? Furthermore, Judge Annalisa Torres declared categorically that XRP is not a security in and of itself. The ruling caused XRP to surge to a peak of 93 cents in July. However, this surge was short-lived. Over the next 6 months, XRP saw a significant decline in value relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum following the court ruling. Morgan asked the community what they believe to be the primary cause of this decline, excluding the lawsuit and coin escrow activity. It is important to note that certain members of the XRP community have claimed that price suppression has occurred as a result of Ripple's regular escrow unlocks and XRP sales. David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, recently refuted these allegations. Morgan concurs that these assertions are untrue, but he is still perplexed as to what the real cause of the recession is. Yassin Mubarak responded to Morgan by highlighting the effects of false propaganda in the cryptocurrency world. Mubarak expressed doubts about the expectation of current retail investors to appreciate, speculating that this would never happen. Rather, he highlighted that XRP's future growth will be contingent upon demand from utilities, institutions, and new retail investors who may not share the present feelings surrounding XRP. He believes that these emotions are the result of historical propaganda. Another member of the community, Donnie Mato, holds a similar opinion. In response to Morgan, Mado said that the negative sentiment XRP faces among the cryptocurrency community might be the cause of its decline. Morgan stated that, while it may not be the primary cause, it could be one of them. The main query of the day is this: will BlackRock be releasing an exchange-traded fund based on XRP at any point? Does BlackRock intend to introduce an exchange-traded fund based on XRP that is spot-based? Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. The largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, has been the subject of rumors over the last few weeks suggesting that it may introduce an exchange-traded fund with a spot price. In a recent interview, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink added fuel to the rumors that the business may introduce an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. In response to the notion that BlackRock would apply for an XRP ETF, Fink stated that he can't talk about that. Remarkably, members of the XRP community surmise that Fink's remark raises the possibility that BlackRock will soon introduce a spot ETF for the sixth largest cryptocurrency. XRP enthusiasts' hopes were, however, shattered by Fox Business journalist Charles Gasparino after he revealed recently that BlackRock may introduce a spot-based ETF for the cryptocurrency. The largest asset management firm in the world does not intend to introduce an XRP exchange-traded fund, according to people with first-hand knowledge of the situation, which Gasparino mentioned in a tweet yesterday. As was to be expected, Gasparino's tweet incited the fury of the XRP community, which accused him of lying in the comment area. A few fans pointed out that since XRP has regulatory certainty thanks to the SEC versus Ripple case, it should be included in an ETF. The writer for Fox Business also conjectured that there is currently a serious appeal pending regarding the Ripple ruling. The reporter emphasized in a subsequent tweet that the uncertainty surrounding the SEC versus Ripple case is a significant element that may deter big money managers like BlackRock from thinking about introducing an ETF for XRP. Meanwhile, BlackRock is presently trading a spot-based Bitcoin ETF on an American-regulated market. In August, the SEC is anticipated to decide regarding the application that the company submitted to start an Ethereum ETF. Notably, the outcome of the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit will have a significant impact on BlackRock's decision to investigate XRP-based ETFs in the future. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Verify that you enjoy the video, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by forwarding this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread this word far and wide. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, make sure to read all of our material. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news.